Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Now, health department is under now. It is under the disaster management committee, which is act is in force at the moment. So under that only those SOPs will be issued. आमचे अंडर येना ते नाल्यार तुम्ही म्हणटले हांवेनूच SOP तयार केलो ना तशें जायना ते तेरा वेरियस एपिडेमिक एक्ट इज इन प्लेस तेजे नंतर तुमचो सनबर्ना खातीर परमिशन खंयच्यान घेता ती बॉडी जी दिता त्या बॉडीन ते SOP घालपाची गरज आसा हांव जाय तुमी जे तुमचे एप्रिहेन्शन्स जे आहा ह्यो एप्रिहेन्शन्स मुख्यमंत्री कडेन डेफिनेटली चर्चा करून ते SOPs कशे स्ट्रिंजंट करपाचे तेजेर भर घालपाचे म्हणून हांव डेफिनेटली विनंती करतलो मुख्यमंत्री की ते SOPs म्हणजे ह्या तरेचे सगळे आतां तुमी म्हणजे म्हणटा there was no activity happening here. So as a result of which my suggestion would be have stringent SOPs and penalize the organizers if they don't follow the SOPs. There should be some clause of penalty to penalize them if they don't follow the SOPs. I'm sure Chief Minister must be aware of it and will take accordingly a call. Yes, already CM has assured me that this will continue. The nurses issue accommodation, that all is being issues are being resolved. There was some miscommunication and thing that is all being resolved, and we have already taken it up with the Honorable Chief Minister.